Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lecture, I will explain case sensitive option in sorter transformation. Case sensitive option determines whether uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently during sorting. So if you enable case sensitive option, then in this case, uppercase and lowercase letters are treated different characters. If you disable case sensitive option, upper and lower case letters treated as same characters during sorting. So first I will explain practically how this case sensitive option works. Before that, first understand how this sorter transformation sort the data. So sorter transformation sort the data based on ASCII values. So if you pass uppercase letters, so let's assume your character start with A, then this particular ASCII value is 65. Same way B, 66. Like this, it will sort the data. If you provide sorting condition as ascending order, then it's sorting the data based on this particular ASCII values. If you provide sorting condition descending order, then it will populate it in this way. First I will show you difference between these two things, then you will understand how this case sensitive option works in sorter transformation. So first I will create one mapping. Now provide mapping name. Case sensitive. Now select source on transformation, click on the source option, then select this particular option connection, then choose object. So here I'm using this particular table. Okay, here I have data. Okay, employee ID, employee name. Like this we have data. So same data I'm going to load this particular target table by enabling or disabling case sensitive options. Okay, so this is my source table. Same way select target, then choose object here, this one. Okay, target object, then I will perform field mapping here as well. Okay, just select smart map. Okay, field mapping also completed. Now what I will include sorter transformation here. Sort. Now first step is we need to provide sort condition. So first I go with ascending order based on these employee names. Okay, then I select advanced option. Now I go with the case sensitive option enabled. Okay, now save it. Now copy this particular mapping. Now go to mapping task. Then mapping name, then choose runtime environment. Then click on next. Save. Now click on run button. Now go to monitor, just refresh this particular job status. Okay, now running status. Now succeeded. Now go to target, run this query. See this particular if you enable case sensitive option, what will happen? Uppercase, lower cases are treated different characters. Okay, so here first it appear uppercase letters, after that it's appear lowercase letters. Okay, so here I am selecting sort condition as ascending. So as per these particular things, okay, as per this particular options, it is work. Why? Because capital letter A having ASCII value 65, so we are selecting sort condition is ascending, so that's why it sort the data based on smallest value to highest value. Okay, now Now I will go to mapping again. Now here select the sorter, click on sort option. Now I am selecting this one as descending order. Okay, now I will disable this particular option, or I will go with the enable case sensitive option instead of displaying. Now save it. So before that I will truncate this particular data, target table data, truncate table. So just pin this one. This query. Okay, now we don't have any data inside this particular target table. Now what we'll do, go to here and click on run button. Okay, just I change this particular sort condition descending order, click on run button. Now go to monitor. So here choose runtime and environment, click on run button. Now go to monitor and check this particular status, job status. Now go to target, run this query. See, now it's data gets sorted based on descending order. Okay, D has, okay, D small letter has 100, right? So this way it's arrange the data from highest value to lowest value. See, capital letter A sorted, displayed the last. Okay, so here from highest value to lowest value it sort the data. Now what I will do here, I will go with the same thing, but I will disable this particular option, case sensitive option. Now what will happen, we'll see here. Now again truncate this data. Okay, now data gets truncated. Now I will pin this result as well. Now we don't have any data inside this particular target table. Now save it again. Now I don't choose this case sensitive option, I disable this option. Whenever you disable this option, what will happen, uppercase and lowercase letters treated as the same characters during sorting. So now let's check this option as well. Now click on run button. Now choose runtime environment, click on run. Now go to monitor. Now it is in starting status. Next queue status. Next it went for running status. Now go to target and run this query. See, even now it's not consider this one as key values. So whenever you disable both uppercase and lowercase treated as same characters, based on this it's sorting the data. Okay, so this way this case sensitive option works in sorter transformation. I hope you understand how these things works. So if you have any queries related to this particular case sensitive option, please post your queries in the question and answer sections. I will provide update on those particular queries. So that's it guys, thank you.